Hello everyone, guys. Today I have designed a panel for G plus bun controller. G plus bun lift. We can stop lift on door zone by using this circuit. So how can this operate and what is wiring diagram of this circuit? We are explaining. So please, first of all, I have to connected a input supply to NC point. This is emergency stop and two push button for ground floor and for first floor, and we are using two limit switch, first for ground floor and second for first floor. Also we are using two contactors, one for first floor and second for ground floor. Okay, so these materials we have to use for G plus 1 lift. Guys, now we are discussing about wiring. What is the process of wiring? So first of all, in this emergency switch we have input is connected by supply, and the output of this terminal I have to connect it to another push button for ground floor, serial in series, and then after the output of next terminal of this push button I have connected to another push button for G plus 1 in series. Okay, next. Okay guys, next, then after I have to connected a wire in this ground floor push button parallelly to the holding of this circuit. The diagram is I have to connect this wires input terminal. Also we can use this wire through input terminal of the emergency switch, but I have used from push button, operating push button. Okay, so from this you have to connect a wire in NC point of ground floor limit switch. Okay, and the output terminal of this ground floor limit switch we have to connect it to the NO point of first floor limit switch. This process is used because when the limit switch is disconnected on the ground floor, then our contactor also will be disconnected, will be released on when the lift is on ground floor. Okay, so we are using the NO point of that limit switch which is for first floor. Okay, so this is the circuit basically, and for holding purpose we have used the another first terminal we use, NC terminal we use for holding to the next, and second terminal we are using for coil operating. Okay, so the second output, second terminal of this limit switch which I use for coil operating. So coil should be operated at the single time, means when the lift is on ground floor, then our contactor will be released of ground floor. Okay, so I am seeing you this the output of this NC point is going to parallelly with the NO of this contactor. Okay, this is for ground floor, so NO, and for holding, because when lift is operated then your contactor should be proper hold. So for holding I have to use this NO, output of this contactor NO with the coil of the contactor is A1. Okay, so I have used this for A1. Okay, this is for ground floor. Okay, similarly for first floor I have to use another limit switch. Okay, so for second floor I have to use the output terminal. Okay, first is connected with series to ground floor and first floor, and the output terminal of this one is connected with secondary contactor, means ground floor, and ground floor with series is going to first floor. Okay, so the output of this NO terminal, NO push button, is going to ground floor contactor, and with series as well as in first floor contactors A1 coil. Okay, so this is the process of wiring, because at the single time only single contactor should be hold. Okay, so guys, we are practically seeing this circuit which is operate or not. Okay, so let's see. Okay, supply is on and we start the circuit. Okay, so suppose our lift is on first floor. Okay, this circuit is for G+1. Okay, so our lift is on first floor and we are on ground floor, so we have to operate on ground floor. Okay, so this is for ground floor and we have to push this button. Okay, when we put this button, our ground floor contactor is on, means our motor is operating in forward direction. Forward reverse, that will be another matter, in a single direction. Okay, that means our lift is coming in ground floor. Okay guys, and when our lift is coming on ground floor, then at the door zone we find the limit switch, and this limit switch will be cut. Okay, so when this limit switch will be cut, our contactor will be released, means our lift will be stop on the ground floor. Okay guys, same process is for ground floor. When we operated this button, actually this button is not properly working right now, so we can use the same, just like this button or any other NO button. Okay, so when we put this button, our lift will be start to coming on first floor, and this contactor will be released. Just like we have to push this button, our contactor will be hold of first floor. Okay, and lift is moving on upward direction, means on first floor. Okay, and when the limit switch will be cut off first floor, our contactor will be released and lift will be stop. Okay, so this circuit is very simple and can be used for goods lift, is the up down direction, and this is a very simple guys. And if you have any doubts, you can contact me on 9760206709. and guys, this is a very simple and important circuit for our lift. Okay, thank you.